Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you the paper piecing technique with one of my favorite stamp sets, Beautiful Moments. I absolutely love the soft brushstroke images in this stamp set that make it possible for us to create lovely cards for a variety of occasions. There's a great collection of sentiment stamps in the set as well, and you can mix and match any of these depending on what kind of card you need. Today, I'll also be using the brand new In Color DSP assortment to make my card. Now remember that you can get a stack of 6x6 designer series papers for each of our color families, and the sheets all have the same 4 patterns. So this year's patterns are denim, polka dots, wood grain, and words. And these words are actually Stampin' Up's statement of the heart in several different languages. And these are the brand new In Colors that were introduced in the 2020 annual catalog. We've got Bumblebee, Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, and Cinnamon Cider. As you can see, I've already made this card in 2 of the colors, Magenta Madness and Misty Moonlight, and today we're going to make the same card in Just Jade. So the measurements for the card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a matte layer of 4 by 5.25, a frame of slightly darker cardstock, and this is 2 3/4 inches by 4 1/8 inch, and some white for stamping, and this is 2 5/8 by 4 inches. And then I'm going to use some of that beautiful DSP for the paper piecing. So I'm going to start by running this piece through my embossing machine with the Scripty embossing folder just to give it some texture. The next step is to stamp my image on the white cardstock in Memento Black ink. I'm also going to stamp a sentiment underneath it using the Just Jade ink. And I'm going to stamp the same image stamp, I'm using this one here, on these DSP scraps as well in Memento Black ink. A bit of color to this with my blends markers, but notice I'm only going to color in the skin and the hair. I don't need to color in the dresses because that's where I'm going to use these pieces. Now it's time for a bit of fussy cutting to cut out the dresses from my DSP. Attach these little paper pieces to my stamped image where they're going to fit perfectly because of course they were stamped with the same stamp. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go. It means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'!